everybody, I hope you guys are excited. Today is Pregmas day 10, but Vlogtober day 2. We have a lot of errands to do today, but we are going to take you guys with us because we are daily vlogging from now till the baby gets here.
We're going to get some supplies for the pizza that you guys saw in the last video. Barbecue chicken, pizza. We're about to get in the car. The kids are already in the car waiting for us. And we gotta get on the road because school buses are the bane of my existence. All right, guys, we will see y'all in a second. Bye, say hi.
Hi.
Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
Oh, they already saw you.
No, they didn't.
But yeah, so we just got the stuff we needed from the Dollar Tree. We have a couple different traditions and stuff that we do in our family whenever it's somebody's birthday. We also just came from Kroger. I've been wanting to try this vegan Caesar dressing from Just Brand. So yeah, I wanted Caesar salad tonight. You know, I like to keep my salads very, very simple at this stage just because I get full so fast. I can't eat a lot. Like, I know you guys see me eating a lot of yummy food, but like after a couple bites, I am so stuffed. It's not even funny.
That's the part we don't show you.
I know. We'll show you guys what we picked up from Kroger anyway, and we'll do a little mini haul. To kick off Vlogtober, I want to taste the pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks, even though, as you guys know, I made my own up here. I have not actually had a pumpkin spice latte since I went vegan from Starbucks itself, and I'm not a huge Starbucks fan. I used to be back in the day. Yeah, I kind of want to taste theirs and see if it tastes the way that I remember.
Hey guys, I want to ask you guys, leave any recipes down below that you want to see me make. Thanks for all the compliments about my cooking, and that's about it. Bye guys.
An iced pumpkin spice latte, but can I get it vegan style with almond milk?
All right, guys, when you're balling on a budget, you always ask for your ice separate. That way you can split it. Cheers.
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 That's an interesting take on the pumpkin spice
latte. Ours tastes way better.
Yeah, it does.
No, that is a cup of no. Pumpkin time is here. Yes, pumpkin time is here. Yes, so there's this guy being a creep outside of my car. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's being like a real creep. I really have to tell my husband. We're here at Trader Joe's. Yeah, we got the last couple things that we needed for the pizza tonight. Anyway, so I want to show you guys where we were the other night. This is where we come when we are having dance party night. They keep the speakers on and there's nobody here, and like security doesn't bother you. So yeah, we like to have our dance party night here sometimes. But yeah, so tonight's Monday. You guys know it's movie night. We're probably gonna watch something scary because the kids are requesting something scary, which we have to.
I'm not.
Oh, sorry. The boys are requesting something scary.
I want to see it, yo.
Oh, we're not watching it, yo. Pumpkin time is pumpkin time. Oh my gosh, Home Goods, my favorite star. Oh yeah, they put up these little corn stalk things that are so cute. Pumpkin time. Oh, yeah. Say hi, Carmen.
Hi.
Karina, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Looking at himself.
All right, so this is the stuff that we got for the pizza. I'm gonna go through it really quickly. Trader Joe's is where we get the pizza dough from. They're ready to bake pizza dough. This is the quickest way to get the best possible pizza. Organic French baguette. This is to make croutons to go in the Caesar salad. This is our popcorn that we're going to be using for movie night, and this is what I think is some of the best coconut oil on the market. As a side note, I'm a big fan of their vegetable pad thai, as you can see on the back there. Vegan. This is the mozzarella cheese that we got.
He said dressing, organic lettuce. cheesecake.
That's the Daya cheesecake. We wanted to get the pumpkin spice one, the pumpkin cheesecake, but they didn't have it, so we got the plain cheesecake, some pumpkin puree, organic pumpkin puree, because Carmi wants pumpkin pancakes tomorrow, so Rocky's gonna be whipping up some pumpkin pancakes. And yeah, that is it. We gotta go. Everybody's hungry. Half of them need to use the bathroom. I'm one of them. We'll see you guys at home.
Me too.
He has 2 moves. That one, this move number 1, move number 2. And then we just rotate between the 2.
And so we have a little routine where the girls, they clean up after we come back from a trip. And the boys go ahead and get the groceries in the house. And Wesley just stays cute.
So this is the bump watch for today. You guys actually saw this in this morning, but this is what it looks like at the end of the day. Let's eat some pizza. I am starving.
First, you start off by getting your ingredients: red peppers, some onions, some green pepper, of course the dough. We got some shredded cheese, garden chicken strips. Because we're gonna have a barbecue chicken pizza. I'm also gonna make a green pepper and onion pizza because I really like green peppers. So I'm gonna have 2 pizzas tonight. Alright, so I got my chicken strips in the air fryer. But first you start by prepping your veggies. Ready to go. Red peppers. And of course you can add whatever your favorite vegetables are. Some green peppers. Chicken strips. Cut these down the middle. And then you just chop them into little pieces. And that way you can just sprinkle them all over your pizza when you're done. Alright, so there you have it. Next thing you want to do is work on your dough. So you want to have some flour with you. Powder it up so it doesn't get stuck to your hands while you're trying to knead it and flatten it. I'm using a silicone mat right here, but you can use like parchment paper, foil, whatever you want to use. Sprinkle some flour on here. Don't use too much because you don't want the bottom of your crust getting all floury. You want just enough to cover the surface so it doesn't stick to the mat or the parchment paper, whatever you're using. Put the rest to the side and you can use that. Keep your hands nice and powdered up so that it doesn't stick to your hands. 2 ways you can do it. You can do it by hand or you can get a roller. I prefer a roller because it makes it nice and flat. Next, you want to just roll it out. Roll it out nice and flat. After you finish rolling it out as flat as you want it, this dough is really good, but it's also really sticky. So make sure you keep that flour handy so that you're not constantly stopping to take the dough off of the roller. You can start adding your sauce, tomato basil, which is the best sauce. This sauce is so good you can use it right out of the jar. So make sure you just spread that around evenly to the edge. Depending on how thick you want your crust to be. Add your cheese. It's nice and cheesy. The red peppers. Chicken. And that's it. This pizza's ready to go in the oven. Make sure you have your oven preheated to 350. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on the second one. And that will be ready in 3, 2, 1. Now would you look at that. So I didn't show you guys me putting the onions on there, but the onions are definitely on there. Here is the end result. Pizza. We will put the barbecue sauce on after, and you can put it on your own slice so that way, you know, you can put as much as you want on there. And then that's it. You put a little Caesar salad on the side and you got yourself a plate.
Alright guys, so I just got my plate. He made me croutons from scratch. And then this is the Caesar. So here we got that we showed you guys. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my salad. I highly recommend that Caesar. When I get hooked on a particular salad again, in fact, that's all I want. That's what I'm eating tomorrow. But yeah, this is the barbecue sauce that we use. But yes, I'm just putting some of that barbecue sauce right on the top. The best way to deal with this is make sure you freeze it overnight. That way it crisps up really good. the next time you put it. And how long in the oven for warming it up?
12 to 15 minutes.
12 to 15 minutes on
350.
350. That's to warm it up. Got my headphones in because I'm literally in the middle of editing this vlog right now. I'm about to go finish this pizza, finish editing. I'm gonna head upstairs to watch a movie, eat some popcorn, wrap up the night. I'll see y'all in a little bit.
It's good? All right. What was your favorite part about it?
The peppers, the cheese, and the barbecue sauce.
All right. Rocky, what's your favorite part about it?
Everything.
Everything? Eating a salad? How is it? It's good? It's good? All right. Everybody's all lined up, ready to go. Wesley, what are you doing, boy? You sharing up the popcorn?
Wesley's sharing out all the popcorn. Sharing out popcorn. Oh, thank you.
Good job. Oh, wow.
It's popcorn.
Oh, you're so good at that.
Oh, wow.
You're so good. We're about to go. We're about to put on
Coraline.
We're about to put on Coraline because for the birthday girl. That's the movie that Carmen wanted to see. It's nice and scary, but not too scary. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share.
Please make sure you leave a comment about what your favorite part of this vlog was. And make sure you check out that recipe. As you guys saw, it's super simple. Make sure you wish Carmi happy birthday. It's her birthday tomorrow. So yeah, she's really excited. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this, guys. We actually completely forgot. We have not explicitly told them. They just thought we're just doing Pregmas. But yeah, we're doing Vlogtober, which means haunted house. It feels so special to be sharing this experience with all of you. We're about to start our movie. Vlogtober day 2, Pregmas day 10. Signing out.